Are slugs decimating your tendy babies? If they haven't yet, they will. While you are resting comfortably, your enemy is in a cave. He has a rusty AK-47. His belly is empty. His heart is full of hate. And he has one thing on his mind: to destroy your tender baby plants. Okay, well maybe not, but he's definitely going to take a nibble out of them. Today, I'm going to show you the #1 way to trap and kill slugs in your garden, organically. So stay tuned. Simply fill it up, and what's going on is the fermentation of the beer produces a smell, and the smell attracts the slugs, and then at nighttime they come out and they slither up and they slither in, and then they drown. They absolutely cannot resist the smell. When they come out at night, they just go for it. Like this guy. Ah! Simply take your slug trap and place it where you want to catch your slugs. The fermentation of the beer kind of comes out at night. It's out all the time, but when the slugs come out at night, they can smell it, and they simply crawl in and drown to death. I don't know if they become intoxicated and drowned or what, but I know that the smell is what attracts them. Also, you probably don't want to put your slug trap in your bed because you'll be drawing slugs into the bed. So you want it close to the bed or adjacent to it, but far enough away where it actually drives the slugs away. Another great way is to simply not to deal with them altogether by getting these galvanized raised beds. And to check out other old wives' tales about eggshells in the garden, simply click this card right here on eggshells and how to make happy, happy tomatoes.